Number 3, Darius Martin in for the Little Devils. Touch. Handoff fumbled up the middle. Extra point attempt is no good.
Drive hard, drive hard.
Run up the middle by number 33, Steve Mack. Tackled by a host of...
Come on, go. Come on!
Number 9, Johnny Ryan on the quarterback keeper around the left side.
Come on!
Number 33, tough run around the right side. Pickup of a couple. Bring up 4th and goal from about the 2. Everybody on your feet.
Get in there!
Number 9 shut down from getting in the end zone. Tackle made by number 9, Anthony Menino. That'll bring an end to the game by both teams.